Welcome everyone to the second episode of Truth, Spirit and Wealth. I'm Mu and I'm very happy to be here, and today I'm going to talk about inflation. I'm going to explain inflation in very simple terms. It's important to understand what is inflation and how it does affect us, and we will see what inflation does to our savings, and we will find out also why time is the measure of success. Let's start from the definition. What is inflation? Inflation is a sustained increase in the prices of goods and services over a period of time. That is the definition. Let's now explore instead the causes. So we can have excess of demand. If there is pressure over a product or a services, everyone wants it, and there is not enough, obviously the price will go up. We've seen this all the time in our lives. There could be a supply chain shock where a product or a service is disrupted, or a product doesn't arrive in the market. So obviously there's less of the product, and there's more competition to have it. So people are willing to pay more, so the price can rise. Could be bank policies where there's an excess of credit, where everyone gets credit and they can buy new cars, new houses, new garages, spend lots of money in clothes, in tourism, and therefore there's more pressures on the same goods and products and the price rise. But the one that I have paid the most attention in the last few years is so-called quantitative easing, which is when the central banks expand their balance sheet. So essentially they print money, although technically they don't print money only. We assist essentially to an injection of large quantity of money in the systems, in the economy. And these over time have consequences, and the key consequences is that over time the price of goods and services rise. Let's have a look to this table where you can see that if there's a very practical way to look at, to take advantage of the learning of what is inflation. If you would have put $10,000 5 years ago in Tesla, now you'd have 15,000. In Nvidia, you'd have made 145,000, and so on and so forth for the gold and the silver. Whilst if you had left your $10,000 in a saving account, you would have the corresponding purchasing power of $8,000. So you still have your $10,000, but you could buy the correspondent of $8,000 in comparison to 5 years ago. So there's a net loss of $2,000. These tell us that once we start understanding a bit more the mechanism of the economy, like the inflation, the first lesson is leaving the cash in the saving account for a long period of time is not a good idea. Now we're going to see some graphs of stocks and cryptocurrencies that will show us something. Look at Bitcoin. Look where it started and look where it is now. Look at Tesla. Look at the left bottom and the top right. Nvidia. They all look like mountain, don't they? Amazon, gold, and silver. And what is that they have all in common? They have all in common that they go up over time. So the trick for normal people that do not have time to spend all day investing and trading is to invest month by month over time, and leave the investment over a long period of time, more than 5 years, better if 10, 15 or 20, even more. That generate also generational wealth. So your sons and daughters will thank you a lot. If this journey from inflation to ideas on how to protect your wealth from it has been useful, I would love if you like and subscribe. That will help a lot growing my channel. I thank you for having listened to me for so long, and I wish you all the best.